How to apply for Disabled Oyster Card? To apply for a Disabled Oyster Card in London, you need to meet certain criteria and follow specific steps. You will need evidence to support your application. This may include a letter from a registered healthcare professional, a letter from your local authority confirming your eligibility. You can apply for a disabled person's Freedom Pass online through the Transport for London website. Visit the TfL website and locate the page for applying for the Disabled Person's Freedom Pass. Upload scanned copies or clear photos of your supporting documents during the application process. Make sure the documents are eligible and clearly show your eligibility. After submitting your application, it will be reviewed by TfL. This process may take some time, so be patient. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.